Thank you. We do not comment the specific relationship which has already been created between the two nations, Bangladesh and India. But of course, we are monitoring this situation because this is important for both countries and for the region also, for South Asia also. This is a geopolitical aspects and implications which negatively will followed by the any not result-oriented attacks. We read the statement of the South Bloc. We read the statement of the interim government and the foreign advisor of Bangladesh. You know, two sides and the stakeholders, they are trying to find the balanced way so that to reduce this tension as soon as possible. You know, we cannot choose our immediate neighbors. We have the problem, we experience our problem with Ukraine, which is, of course, a matter of concern for us. And of course, we share our concerns regarding the situation here also, I mean the geopolitical situation. The sooner you reduce the tension and find a way for reducing this tension with India, the better. Because since, as you have already mentioned, historically, since 1971, when Bangladesh has gained the independence, mostly because of Indian help as well. And Russia also supported in this regard. And shoulder to shoulder, India, Bangladesh, and Russia, we were together. As you remember that we cleared the Farway. That time India helped us a lot in this regard. So my position is that the tensions must be reduced as soon as possible. It is not in the interest of neither India nor Bangladesh.